All available units, we've received reports of shots fired inside the Coventry district. Witnesses describe two armed groups fighting over what appear to be chemical weapons. Requesting any available officers locate and secure the scene.
Chemical weapons. I should investigate. I need to break up that fight and secure the chemicals.
I am disgraced. You have...
What's in the canister?
A gift for El Jefe. One of many.
Where are the others?
I will say no more.
Brother, we are at the fort, but the Duende Cobblepot has sent his men to oppose us. You must come.
I have what I need. Spot. Gotta find that canister.
He's not our equal! I take a piece for myself! Look, favor! We can make him! One swing and you're done! You will not wait! You can't fight us all, cabron! Kick the crap out of him! I need... Die for Bane! Easy! Now. He don't want to mess with us. Oh. Let's take him out. I am disgraced. You have defeated me.
Where's the canister?
Blown away. You'll never find it.
Sir, your suit is picking up trace elements of a compound used in the manufacturing of venom. It appears the canisters contain ingredients necessary for its creation.
I need to find out where they've taken them.
May I suggest scanning the area? They could have left something behind that points to their destination.
Looks like they're heading to my alibi.
I got multiple calls available. Sending them out in priority order.
Hey, that freak's on our turf! Get him! Take him! This'll... Get in his face! That's one fancy freak. I hate you so much!
Gonna take this anymore! You gotta pay like everyone else!
Leave now, and we will spare you.
Fine, you want the club? It's yours. But when the boss finds out about this...
He will stay away if he values his life. Ah! The bat! You have come as Bane said you would. Fly down from your perch then, so I can kill you.
I thought you'd never ask.
Come down here! Bang! We got you surrounded. Take him! You wouldn't last 10 seconds in the yard. We are relentless! Unstoppable! Fair hand here, not... I am a...
Who are you?
They call me Bird.
Bane's lieutenant. Putting you away should set him back.
Bane already has all he needs. He will find you. He will break you.
Alfred, put in a call to GCPD. They'll want to bring these men in for questioning.